Hello again, everyone. It's me, Johnny. I want to thank you for coming back to my channel, and this is going to be part 2 of what I eat for breakfast usually. When I first got diagnosed, I didn't know what to eat. I didn't know the difference between acidic and alkaline and everything else that's wrapped up into it. Most people that I meet, cancer patients, now, if I'm helping them out when they first got diagnosed, they don't know what to eat. They don't know, they just hear that, sugar feeds cancer. I mean, it's the biggest thing that even I heard, and I was afraid to eat fruits until I started to study it myself and started to learn. I had to find out what works for me. And as I said in the previous part on the oatmeal recipe, is that probably the best diet that you can learn is probably a raw food diet and anti-inflammatory diet. Gallons of juicing, green juice for me. I still drink so much green juice a day still. That hasn't stopped. Wheatgrass hasn't stopped. And one of the things I learned is that I really had to learn how to make different recipes, learn how to cook for myself, because you have to save your own ass. You have to save your own butt. You got to become a student of the game in order to win. And doesn't happen overnight. This is a process. This is a lifestyle change. You're going to have to incorporate much healthier choices. And one of the things that I really enjoy having, and from time to time, probably once a week, it all depends. Acai bowl is probably one of my favorites to have, other than oatmeal. And I go with there's different versions. I go with the puree unsweetened is my favorite. Less sugar. It's just, I like the way it tastes, the way I hook mine up. There's so many recipes out there. You just got to hit YouTube. There's so many recipes that I believe that can help somebody who's dealing with cancer or whatever it is. You have to find out what works for you. The good book says you're fearfully and wonderfully made. And you might not like this. Something else might work for you. You might be able to drink juice early in the morning. That doesn't work for me. I have to have something in my stomach, then I can start juicing. All right. They have different versions. This is the super green ones. Not a big fan. I do suck it down from time to time, probably in a smoothie. And then this one is the one that has the original blends, and this has sugar in it. So I think it's cane sugar they added to it. So I have this for my friends when they come over, and instead of going out for ice cream or something like this, I'll hook them up with a bowl or a smoothie or something else that they can have. But I use this one, the non-sweetened one, because I'm going to add fruit to it. I'm going to add, bananas. Sometimes add strawberries, blueberry. Be your own creator. Don't focus so much on the disease. You've been living with it just fine, eating Doritos, drinking Pepsi, eating ice cream, staying out all night, not eating fast foods, and you were hanging out with cancer just fine. You didn't have a problem until you got diagnosed. Now you have a problem. Now it's a crisis. All right, it's been there for a while. Different stages. Everybody's body is different. The good book says you're fearfully and wonderfully made. One of the things that I enjoy doing, that I had to learn to take control of, was fear. I could not let fear control me, and I had to learn, and it took baby steps. For a while I wouldn't eat no fruit at all, and then I started incorporating fruit. Started incorporating little fruit, natural fruit. Whether it was an apple, whether it was oranges. It all depended, because I had intestinal. So a lot of the stuff would burn. When I would eat beans or something like that, they would burn. So I had to learn how to get into just healthier choices. And this is probably one of my favorites to do. I treat myself. I'm going to use a whole banana on this one. You can freeze the bananas, which I suggest if you're going through this, if you're going through a diagnosis and you really don't know. As you're making changes, you might run into a doctor or nutritionist that's going to say, hey, cut all this out for a while till you get control of this thing. And for me, that's what happened to me. Once my doctors got control of it, they would say, okay, we're going to incorporate little by little back into your diet. But we want you to get healthier. No fast foods, no refined foods. Stick to the naturals, closest natural as you can get. And we want you to eat a little bit of cooked food, but most of my diet is still raw. Yep, probably 90% of my diet is raw, still. So I don't want to say I'm raw vegan or anything like that. No, I don't want to say that. Because from time to time I might have something that, a piece of meat or something like that. I do what works for me. I don't live by anybody's rules. I got to worry about Johnny and what works for Johnny. And one of the things, but I do say that if you want to control the inflammation and you're struggling with a lot of inflammation in there, probably one, and you can go to nutritionalfacts.org, Dr. Greger, and just listen to different things that he has on his site on dealing with cancer, and he backs his stuff up by the science of it, by reports and studies. And it's a wealth of information if you go to his website, nutritionalfacts.org. I'll put a post on it on the bottom of the page, and you can go there and just learn on different things you can eat, what is said and what's not said. There's a lot of information out there, but you have to find out what works for you is the bottom line. Let's get into this. All right, these are frozen bananas. You can use a regular banana. You want to make sure it has the spots on it, that it's ripe. You know, you want to get the most out of it. What works for you. So there it is. I already put one packet of it. You can run this under, if you're going to go early in the morning and you're going to go to work or something like this, you can run this under warm water, or let it sit and let it dissolve or dilute in the warm water before you put it in there. It's the fastest way. All right, we'll put this in there, that in there. Once again, whatever I put in my oatmeal, it's the same thing. Crushed flax seeds, put it in there. I like cinnamon. Guess what? We're going to put it in there. How much? Be your own creator. Right? Almond milk, usually I make my own almond milk now, but from time to time you don't need a lot of this. I don't pour a lot into it. So, I don't even think that's not even a cup. And then once again, hemp seeds. See, getting a cancer diagnosis, for me, your body's starving in two areas. Your body's starving in nutrition is one. Body's also starving for you to love yourself. Number two, because when you truly start loving yourself, you start making better decisions. Start worrying about you and taking care of your temple, taking care of your body, spirit, soul, and body. It's just not one way that you're going to heal your body. I like how Charlotte Gerson says this. She says when you start juicing, when you start giving your body the nutrition, the support that it needs, your whole body starts to heal. It starts taking over, because this is what it's lacking. It's lacking nutrition. Put that in there. What else do I have? All right, you can dress this up any way you want to. I don't need that. That's my top. Put this on. Make sure you put the top on. Vitamix. If you're looking for a Vitamix, you can go to Vitamix.com. They're expensive. They can be. When I got mine from QVC, and I just made payments on it. All right, it's the same thing. You can go there. QVC has them. Go there, make the payments, whatever they are, a month. Or you can go to. I bought some for a friend of mine, a Vitamix, and they also gave you the option to make payments on it. They also have refurb ones with guarantees. So if you're looking to make a lifestyle change, if you're looking to get on top of this, you don't have the money, check out those two sites, especially Vitamix, because they do have refurbs that with the guarantee you can buy extra warranty on it if you're looking for that. But this is a game changer right here. Alright, that's about it. Let's see how it comes out. And you can hook this up any way you want to. Look at that. Right? Put this in there. Now you can add anything you want to. If you wanted extra fruit on here, if you wanted blueberries, if you wanted strawberries, whatever you want. If you want like one of my favorites to do is I'll take the raw cacao nips, but I'll put peanut butter in here. You can put peanut butter. And if you want that Reese's Pieces candy type that you're missing or craving, this is one of the things. Now I wouldn't recommend it if you just got a diagnosis. But if you're living life or whatever it is, and you're looking to even trying to live a healthier lifestyle, because your body knows exactly what to do with this. Your body knows exactly what to do with this. Your body knows exactly what to do with this. It doesn't know what to do with refined foods. And we're addicted. We're a society that's addicted to sugar and salt. All right. And once your taste buds, I think they change like every 10 days. So the first 5 days, that's why when you start changing, the first couple days is real hard. It's because your taste buds. Once you start getting used to it, like I can't go a day without drinking green juice. Before that was Pepsi or Coke for me or soda for me. Now it's green juice, fresh squeezed juice. My body craves it. Now I put this on here, like I said, you can dress this any way you want to. Raw cow nips. You want to put, I like walnuts. Put that on there. Like I said, if you want strawberries, blueberries, this is granola. It doesn't have any sugar or anything, and no cane sugar, no, just straight up. You can find different recipes where you can hook it up because you're going to have to make a lifestyle change. Lifestyle change. Not 6 months, not a year, not 2 years. This is your life for the rest of your life if you got a diagnosis. All right? And your body's looking, it's starving from nutrition. Look at this. Let me see. Without spilling it. Let me get, look, could you see this? Look at that. This is what your body's all natural. Your body knows exactly what to do with this. Man. Little soupy, but a little bit too much time on my part. Enough sugar in it from the banana. I'm good to go. Remember, don't starve. Just make healthier choices. I get emails from people that are just starving. They don't know what to eat. They're afraid to eat. And your body knows what to do with natural sugars. I don't look at myself. I didn't get cancer from eating natural sugars. I didn't get cancer like that. I got cancer from eating a lot of refined sugars, a lot of junk, a lot of garbage, not taking care of myself and not loving myself. The best medicine that you can have, give yourself, is to love yourself. Love yourself first. Not in a selfish way, but to take care and make better choices. This is good. God bless. Take care. And remember, live alive. You're alive, but are you really living? God bless you guys. So I'll see you guys again. Bye-bye. Want some? Psych.